The Science of Livestock Productivity, unlocking efficiency in modern animal farming. Livestock productivity has become a cornerstone of modern agriculture, shaping not only food security but also economic stability across global farming communities. As populations grow and demand for meat, dairy, and other animal products rises, farmers must adopt innovative strategies to maximize output while maintaining sustainability. This article explores the intricate science behind enhancing livestock productivity through nutrition, genetics, health management, technology integration, environmental considerations, market trends, and future innovations. By understanding these factors, producers can optimize their operations and meet rising consumer expectations without compromising ethical standards. Nutrition. The foundation of high-yield livestock systems. A well-balanced diet is essential for maximizing livestock performance. Nutritional requirements vary based on species, age, reproductive status, and production goals. Ensuring that animals receive adequate energy, protein, vitamins, and minerals is crucial for achieving optimal growth rates and milk yields. Feed formulation plays a critical role in determining overall efficiency. Farmers must analyze local feed sources, assess nutrient profiles, and adjust rations accordingly. Properly balanced diets reduce waste, minimize disease risks, and promote consistent weight gain across herds and flocks. Energy sources. Carbohydrates from grains provide quick energy, while fats offer dense nutritional value with less volume. Balancing these ensures sustained activity levels in working animals and efficient body maintenance. Protein requirements. Amino acid balance affects muscle development and egg/lactation quality. Deficiencies often lead to poor fertility rates and reduced immune function in breeding stock. Supplemental nutrients such as calcium, phosphorus, and trace minerals are equally vital. These elements support bone strength, hormone regulation, and enzymatic processes necessary for reproduction and lactation success. Regular veterinary consultations help identify potential deficiencies early. Ration consistency is another key factor influencing productivity. Sudden changes in feed composition can disrupt digestion patterns and increase susceptibility to gastrointestinal disorders. Gradual transitions allow digestive systems time to adapt effectively. Genetic advancements driving productive outcomes. Selective breeding programs have revolutionized livestock productivity over recent decades. Genetic improvements enable breeders to develop animals with enhanced traits related to growth speed, disease resistance, and product yield. This scientific approach allows farms to achieve higher outputs using fewer resources. Breeding technologies such as artificial insemination and embryo transfer facilitate rapid genetic progress. These methods ensure access to superior genetics regardless of geographic location, allowing small-scale farmers to compete globally. Genomic selection further refines breeding decisions by identifying beneficial DNA markers at an earlier stage. Crossbreeding strategies often produce hybrid vigor, resulting in improved survival rates and increased productivity compared to purebred lines. Careful selection of complementary breeds maximizes desirable characteristics while minimizing negative traits associated with certain bloodlines. Data-driven breeding decisions. Modern livestock operations increasingly rely on data analytics to inform breeding choices. Performance records detailing birth weights, weaning ages, and reproductive cycles help identify top-performing individuals for mating. Digital tools now track lineage information across generations, enabling precise trait tracking and prediction models. DNA sequencing techniques continue evolving rapidly, offering unprecedented insight into heritable qualities. Understanding genetic predispositions helps prevent inherited diseases while promoting favorable attributes like marbling in beef cattle or milk fat. Composition in dairy cows. Health management strategies for optimal production. Maintaining good animal health is fundamental to sustaining high levels of productivity. Preventative healthcare measures significantly reduce losses due to illness, injury, or stress-related conditions affecting performance metrics. Proactive monitoring enables timely interventions before problems escalate. Vaccination schedules tailored to regional pathogens protect against infectious diseases that could devastate entire herds. Parasite control programs targeting internal worms and external ectoparasites maintain strong immunity responses and efficient nutrient absorption capabilities. Regular deworming protocols combined with pasture rotation practices help break parasite life cycles naturally. This integrated approach minimizes reliance on chemical treatments while preserving gut flora integrity essential for digestion and nutrient uptake. Early detection of health issues through routine checkups prevents minor ailments from becoming costly medical emergencies. Observant farm staff trained in basic diagnostic skills can recognize subtle signs indicating possible sickness episodes ahead of clinical symptoms appearing. Technology integration in modern livestock operations. Innovative technologies are transforming traditional livestock management approaches. Automated feeding systems precisely deliver customized rations based on individual needs, reducing waste and ensuring consistent intake levels across different stages of development. Smart sensors monitor environmental parameters like temperature, humidity, and air quality within barns and housing facilities. Real-time data feeds alert managers when conditions fall outside ideal ranges, prompting immediate corrective actions to safeguard animal welfare. RFID tagging solutions enhance inventory control by providing instant identification and movement tracking capabilities. This digital record-keeping streamlines herd management tasks ranging from breeding schedules to medication administration timelines. Drones equipped with thermal imaging cameras assist in detecting sick animals during mass inspections. Their aerial perspective offers visibility advantages unattainable through ground-level observation alone, facilitating quicker response times during outbreaks. Sustainable practices enhancing long-term productivity. Eco-friendly farming methods contribute positively to both environmental preservation and long-term profitability. Implementing rotational grazing systems improves soil health by preventing overgrazing damage while encouraging natural vegetation regrowth periods. Healthy pastures sustain better quality forage crops benefiting all classes of livestock. Manure management plans convert biological waste into valuable organic fertilizers rather than pollutants. Composting techniques enrich soil structure, enhance microbial activity, and reduce dependency on synthetic chemical inputs commonly used in conventional farming systems. Water conservation initiatives include rainwater harvesting systems and drip irrigation installations optimized specifically for fodder crop cultivation areas. Efficient water use lowers operational costs while supporting sustainable agricultural expansion efforts. Renewable energy adoption reduces carbon footprints and electricity expenses simultaneously. Solar-powered fencing systems or wind turbines supplying power to processing units demonstrate how green infrastructure investments pay off economically and environmentally. Market trends shaping future productivity goals. Consumer preferences influence what types of livestock products remain viable commercially. Increasing awareness around food safety concerns drives demand for antibiotic-free meats and organically produced dairy items featuring transparent sourcing documentation. Ethical consumption values prompt greater emphasis on humane treatment practices throughout supply chains. Certification programs validating free-range living conditions or cruelty-free slaughter procedures command premium. Pricing in specialty markets catering to conscious consumers. Global trade agreements dictate import-export regulations impacting domestic livestock industry's competitiveness. Staying informed about international market fluctuations helps producers plan strategically regarding breeding priorities and export opportunities. Advances in biotechnology may soon introduce lab-grown alternatives challenging traditional meat production sectors financially. Adapting business models proactively will be essential for remaining relevant amidst disruptive industry transformations occurring today. Fostering community knowledge exchange platforms. Establishing collaborative networks among livestock producers facilitates knowledge sharing about best practices proven successful elsewhere. Regional cooperative groups organize field days showcasing cutting-edge equipment trials or new crop varieties showing promise under similar climatic conditions. Online forums dedicated exclusively to livestock management topics create virtual spaces where experienced professionals mentor newcomers facing common challenges. Peer-to-peer learning accelerates problem-solving speeds compared to relying solely on formal educational institutions. Extension services affiliated with land-grant universities provide research-backed recommendations tailored locally yet scalable nationwide. Their expertise bridges gaps between academic discoveries and practical application scenarios encountered daily on active farms. Mobile apps designed for agrarian audiences offer real-time advice regarding weather forecasting impacts on feed availability or disease outbreak alerts originating from neighboring regions experiencing sudden epidemics. Measuring success through data analytics tools, quantifiable indicators define measurable benchmarks assessing livestock operation effectiveness objectively. Tracking parameters like average daily gain rates, conception percentages, and calf mortality ratios reveals strengths and weaknesses requiring improvement attention. Cloud-based software platforms collect vast amounts of operational data automatically from connected devices deployed throughout facilities. Advanced algorithms process this information, revealing hidden inefficiencies otherwise overlooked. Manually analyzing paper records would miss entirely. Predictive modeling applications forecast future outcomes based historical performance trends adjusted according to current variable changes affecting production capacities annually. Such foresight supports strategic decision-making regarding capital expenditures and workforce planning. Transparent reporting mechanisms foster accountability amongst team members responsible for various aspects contributing. Total output figures displayed regularly during managerial reviews sessions aimed continuous enhancement objectives. Conclusion: livestock productivity encompasses a multifaceted discipline integrating biology, economics, engineering principles, and social responsibility considerations uniquely positioned within contemporary agribusiness landscapes. Successfully navigating this complex terrain demands commitment towards ongoing education and adaptation. By prioritizing nutritional excellence, embracing technological advancements, implementing robust health safeguards, pursuing ecological stewardship, staying attuned to marketplace shifts, fostering professional connections, leveraging analytical insights effectively, progressive producers position themselves advantageously poised to thrive amid evolving agricultural paradigms.